Before construction, clean up the debris of the site. Check whether the site is flat and the surface of the foundation is smooth. Confirm the fixed point payoff of the home site field according to the size of the construction site type. Align the floor pin and buckle, and use a rubber hammer to tap the joint.
You make me feel good. You know you do. You make me feel good. Baby, it's you. You make me feel good. You know you do. You make me feel good. Baby, it's you. Someday you could be my everyday if we use imagination. Make the love that we've been chasing. We could cross that bridge that we've been building. Find a place to just be still and you make me feel good. You know you do. You make me feel good. Baby, it's you. You make me feel good. You know you do. You make me feel good. Baby, it's you. You make me feel good.
Outer edge treatment. Use the matching border and cutting board.